Kasim with your daily Google News, and today we're talking about seasonal shopping audiences. If you have a product or service that is seasonally applicable, know this. Pro tip, hashtag. Google, inside of the audience builder, has an in-market segment for, drumroll, seasonal shopping. So inside of the seasonal shopping segment, we've got a couple of, I think, really cool categories. Back to school, which, by the way, I realize isn't necessarily super applicable right now, but just know that this is here because that could be really helpful to you depending on what it is that you're selling. Black Friday, in-store and online. Christmas, after Christmas sale shopping, in-store and online. Super cool. And then they got Mother's Day. So a couple of notes here. Realize that you have the opportunity to use these audiences in different ways. You can actually you can get really creative when you're using these audiences. And what I mean by that is if somebody's like actively shopping for let's say that they're an in-store Christmas shopper, you might use that to intuit other things about them demographically or psychographically speaking that isn't necessarily, right down the center of the lane. So, for instance, you might say like, hey, I think anybody who's like really actively going after this shopping might need a line of credit. You know what I mean? And I realize that that's probably a bad example because it steps on the toes of some of Google's other restricted advertising policies. But the paradigm maintains, right? Like if you're doing this, then this could also be true, which is I think one of the really cool things about custom audiences that you get to play with. So take that idea, put it on a shelf. Let's just go right back to what we know, which is if you have Black Friday specials, Christmas specials, these audiences are really worth playing with, especially if you don't necessarily know you're going to be able to get in front of enough people. Like if you want an expansion opportunity, I think this could be really fun. I love that Google makes this available and accessible. Shout out to our boy DeBungeon on our team who dropped this in the company Slack just to remind everybody, like, hey, if you're not using this, make sure to use it. That was the catalyst for me shooting this video. So good job, dude. And if you're watching this, I shoot a video every day. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know we actually know what we're doing. We shoot a video every single day, so if you want to be notified, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any input, don't hesitate to hit us up in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. We get very little human interaction. Thanks for supporting our channel, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.